05 R1 Raven, just fantastic shape, really a gorgeous bike. A matte and gloss black combination just gives it a really sharp, unique look. I mean, people know it's a Raven before they even see the decals. And the all black with the red wheel stripes just gives it that stealth look. It's got LED integrated signals on the back, flush mount up front. It's got custom leather seats. Not only is it softer than stock, but it's got a red and black trim with carbon on the side. Just complements the Raven theme. Very nice. Tinted windscreen gives it again that all black look. Invisiguard paint protection, not only on the bike but the headlights as well. And let's turn her on and see how she sounds. Starts right up. Really aggressive look to it. Let's rev it up a little bit. I'm going to show the signal real quick. Really strong motor, lots of